What's going on, folks? Back today to pick a Trekmaster lock. I got this one in a trade with West Coast Picks, I believe. This one is it's Deja Vu by Trekmaster30. There's the key, and it is a working lock. Works nice. Great job, Trek. Alright, we're gonna do top of the keyway. I think this is a 50 thousandths from the Praxis kit, and just an 18 thousandths DeForest diamond from Peterson. That's what we can get. Trying up a new camera angle, folks, so hopefully you can see what's going on this time. As usual, that's my 3D printer making all the noise in the background. Got a little bit out of 3, got a little turn out of 2, and that seems set. 1, got a little more turn, to the back again. Uh, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and touch 1. Let's go back the other way this time. 2, 3, 4, and nope. Recock and try again. I'm going to switch up to a short hook in 23 from Peterson also. I got a little out of 3. 5. 1 counter rotation and a click. Working on trying to call these out better, folks. Let's see, 2. Oh, there it is. There's that good click from 2. 3's got nothing. 4's got a little bit of a click. Yeah, that was me sliding off the pin. Alright. Oh. Got a little something, I believe that's 3. Yeah, that was 3, 4. Alright, folks. Hung up on a T-pin, I believe. Yeah, I need something deeper for number 2. Let's go back to that offset diamond. Either that or I may have overset something. Oh, there we are. Number 4. And we're open at 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this out of the vise. We're going to keep it in frame this time. And, let's see. Set that there. Let's see if I can adjust you down. I've actually got a new camera mount working on the 3D printer right now, so hopefully the next time I do a video I'll have something better to do it with. because this tripod just does not seem to work out real well. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. There's that spring. I've had it open once before I decided to do videos, and I don't remember what's in it. It's been a while ago, so we're going to shim it just in case. Pins up top. Now I give credit where credit's due. Pinning tray from West Coast Picks. Really awesome job on them. I printed this one off myself, but great design. Number 1 is heavily serrated key pin. T-pin, key pin for number 2. Another T-pin, key pin with 1 serration. Serrated with a 1 serration with a T-pin on it, and serrated with a T-pin on top, and everything is threaded in top, or in the in the core. You all know what I mean. Alright, and he's kindly labeled front for us. Alright, nicely serrated in 1 with, looks like a brass spring. Serrated stepped spool in number 2. Same brass spring. Nice spool in 3. Got a couple of steps in it there too. Same spring. Just pull the rest from the other side. Hope I'm staying in frame for y'all. Heavily serrated in 5. Same spring. I believe these are all going to be the same spring throughout the entire lock. And another very nice spool in number 4. Alright, let's grab the flashlight, see what's at the top. It is completely threaded in the top too. Very nice lock, Trekmaster. I believe I got this from either Steel Pinnings or West Coast Picks. Let's see if I can get it to focus better today. Take that off and that off. Take the loose parts off. Come on, focus. Here I am trying to ruin the whole thing. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to take it off the stand again. Get all this situated back out again. It's all falling in on itself. you off the stand. Didn't want to let go of the camera. You're gonna focus. Got no focus today, folks. I'll see if I can take a picture of them and stick it at the end of the video. Nope, no focus. Alright folks, have a good one.